up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, man. Back to another video. As usual, man, giving y'all the good content. What we're about to do today, I see the town car behind me, so it's gonna make it a town car video. What we gonna do today, we finna put this new belt on here. I'm gonna show y'all why I'm replacing my belt. It's preventive maintenance. Other than that, man, we finna get into the video real quick. Make sure if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share the video, smash the subscribe button as well, and turn on all post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video. Let's go.
Yeah, ayy, my homie got rich in the trap. I know that he's thinking I'm mad. When he dials my number, he says that he wonders why I don't and I won't hit him back. One day I did hit him back. One day I did hit him back. Told him that crazy is black, and I told him to keep all the loss.
So obviously, first thing you want to do, you pop the hood. I mean, really, this video is for any V6 or V8. It's all gonna be set up the same, pretty much. Pull that little latch up. Get you to your little stuff. So if you're getting this brand, you'll need this part number 6PK 2310. So the reason for me changing this belt, if your belt looks like this at all, you need to go ahead and replace it. Don't wait till the last minute. Don't wait till it pop off. It's gonna fuck your whole engine up. So you wanna go ahead and replace your belt like this. There's no putting no conditioner on there to keep it intact. That shit is bad. So that's why I'm replacing the belt. Granted, I still can drive on it for a little bit longer, but prevent the maintenance for a reason. That's why we're doing the video. So don't wait till the last minute. So all we're gonna use today, I always put belt conditioner on my new belt. And then you're just gonna need you can use this regular 3/8 drive, or I'm using a breaker bar with an adapter, a 3/8 adapter on there. So you see, 3/8 adapter. It's like a 1/2, the breaker bar is a 1/2, and then you need a 3/8 adapter. So all we wanna focus on is literally that little space right here. So what we want to focus on is this little spot right here. This is where you're gonna put your piece in at. And here, move it like this to the right to get the belt off. So what we're doing right now, just comparing belts. This is the new belt. If y'all didn't know, I get all my parts from eBay. I got this piece for about $18 on eBay. I wanted the same brand. The reason I got this, because I had the same brand on my charger when I replaced that belt. I know y'all seen that video. Go down in my channel and watch that video. I use the same brand. I like this brand. I couldn't find this brand in the auto stores like AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Advanced Auto Parts. This brand is not in there for this this link. At least they don't have them in stock, at least. But they don't have like 3 different suppliers or 3 different belts, and they don't have this. So comparing the belt, obviously it's going to be a lot better. I like the brand. It looks like it's leather or something. So let's see. Let's see. This is how the new belt's supposed to look. Obviously, no cracks. It's new. I'm not even sure if this is the OEM belt, but there's like no markings on it. It probably is the OEM belt, but I don't know. It's weird. It don't have any. It has no label on it, as y'all see. So I'm not sure they just threw a random belt on it, or that's the OEM belt after 200,000 miles. But most belts, even on my Charger, it came with an OEM part number on there. This has the part number and everything, made in the US. Let's go ahead and put this belt on there. So when you pull this, check it. That's yeah. See how this can like go back and forth? Want to make sure it's centered. So you want to make sure this is actually centered. So you want to move your, see how it's moving? Make sure it's centered. This as well. Want to make sure it is pulled all the way to the back. Should straighten itself out, but if not, move this. Center this where it's supposed to go. So I'm able to move it. You want to adjust that. So let's just read the can real quick. Belt conditioner. Got this a long time ago. You can get them at AutoZone, Walmart, something like that. Use on flat, round, serpentine, or V-belts. Leather, rubber, canvas, or fabric. Use every 3,000 miles. So I think this is leather. It's much different from the belt back there. I think this is leather. I'm not sure. I think it's leather. It feels like leather. Or some type of, the backside of it's rubber, but like that's rubber, but no, I don't even think it's rubber. I don't know. But it says use every 3,000 miles. You don't have to use it every 3,000 miles, let's be honest. I just do it every 6 months or so. Cause you change your oil every 6,000 miles. I would just do it every oil change if I was you, really. But really every 6 months at the end of the day. That's what I would do. Every 6 months to a year. All up to you at the end of the day. Other than that, we're gonna have to start the car. We're gonna spray it on. So what we're doing here, we're doing a pulse spray, as you see me pulsing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You don't do too much. The reason I'm also doing, you want to do it like this because you don't want to get it on your actual pulley. It'll make a little scoop sound. We're doing a pulse spray. Now we're doing it on the back side as well. You don't have to, but I do it on the back side just so all of them will be lubricated. Do it 10 times and it's pretty much it. Put a little bit more on here. There you go. So you want to make sure you can either let it run for about 10 minutes. Or you can just take it on the drive. I'm gonna take a drive and I gotta do some more, pretty much some exhaust clips, some drive-by and flybys for the intro that I try to switch up every now and then. But yeah, man, just let it run for about 10 minutes. If not, just take it on the drive. If you're gonna go to the store or something, just put. And I'm saying this because if you're putting the belt grease on it, if you don't, then when you crank it back up. So let's say I just sprayed the conditioner on my car, on my belt. Right, and I just cut it off. So the next time you start your car back, you're gonna hear a squeal. You're gonna hear it squeaking because you didn't let it actually soak into the belt. So you just let it pretty much stain the belt in a way. So this is why you want to at least run it for like 10 minutes. I say 10 minutes because I ran it for like 5 minutes and it didn't do anything. So I say about 10 minutes. The best option I recommend is just driving it. So if you are putting that new belt on and you're not about to go nowhere, don't put the belt conditioner on. When you're about to go somewhere, it takes it takes about less than a minute to spray the belt conditioner on there. If you're about to go somewhere, just spray that on there, leave out. You gotta go to the store, whatever you about to go to, man, you'll have a better chance with that. Because you're gonna crank your car up probably like 2 or 3 more times, so. And you won't have that squeal or squeak to it. Because I had it on my, I did it to my Dodge Ready one time. I kept it running for about 5 minutes. And it still was squealing, so I sprayed some more on there to moisten it more, and we drove it to the store and back, like 20 minutes total, something like that. And I mean, the squeal was gone, the squeak was gone, and everything like that though. But I will say this, eventually it will go. If you do spray it like that and you forget, you will get that squeal, but it eventually will go away. It'll take some time to go away, but it will go away though. Now, if you spray too much on there, it's not gonna go away. Either you need to replace your belt if you spray too much on there, or you need to spray again and just drive it for a while so it all can soak in. Or you can spray WD-40 on there so it can kind of loosen those, that conditioner out a little bit. So just FYI on that, man. I dealt with it, so that's why I'm telling y'all the way I'm telling y'all. But other than that, man, that's making a wrap for the video. Let me know what y'all think down in the comment section below. Did y'all like the video? Did y'all not like it? I don't see a lot of people when it comes to this TownCar, a lot of videos on how-tos and stuff like that, man. So once again, that's why I'm here. So other than that, man, make sure you like, share to the video. Make sure you leave a comment down below. Make sure you also smash the subscribe button so you can smash the subscribe button and turn on all post notifications.
Laughing to the bank now. We getting bags, no more water, I just sing now.